So guys, if you see the difference between your LangChain, LlamaIndex and Haystack, so you can do some comparison, let's say based on three kinds of, let's say, feature. So the first feature you can consider primary purpose. So what is the primary purpose of LangChain? So here, just let me write down. We're doing it for the LangChain. So the primary purpose is nothing but this framework is for building LLM application with uh, some tools, okay, and agent chaining. Okay, it has one chaining concept. With the help of that, we build the application. Then the second feature, you can talk about the core strength. Okay, core strength. So it has agents, memory, tools, chain, okay, chain of reasoning. And third, you can consider the ideal use case. Okay, ideal use case. Ideal use case wise, multi tool agents, LLM apps, custom workflow. Custom workflow. Okay. Yeah. Now let's consider about LlamaIndex. Okay, LlamaIndex. So again, LlamaIndex, if you see the primary purpose, uh, for building, indexing, structuring, and query. Okay, querying data with LLMs. Then second features, core strength, data connector, indexing, query engines. Okay, then we have uh, ideal use, connecting private data. Okay, private data to large language model. Okay, like you can connect docs, API, SQL, and so on. Okay, now let's talk about Haystack. So primary purpose, end to end, end-to-end SARS, UA. Okay, even you can also implement RAG and QA. Then second, core strength, modular pipeline, for retriever, reader system. Okay. And third, ideal use case, document search, US system, and scalable rack. Yeah. So these are the like comparison you can do between the LangChain, LlamaIndex, and Haystack. Okay. I hope it is clear, guys. So thanks for watching.